Let's talk about family law. Hi, I'm Alycia Kinchloe, the owner of Kinchloe Law, a family law practice based in the Philadelphia area. Now, every day of 2021, I've been doing a short video talking about issues that surround custody, divorce, and support, and I will continue to do so for the entirety of 2021. At the end of every episode, I ask you to let me know what you want to hear more about. If there's an issue surrounding custody or divorce or support, maybe something you encounter going through your own litigation, something that you're thinking about or concerned about as you ponder whether or not you're going to separate or get divorced, or maybe you're separated and someone just hasn't filed yet. There can be a ton of questions, and sometimes people end up staying in situations that they really want to move forward from because they don't know about what is on the other side of making that first step. So these videos are here to provide some context. They're here to provide some information, some tips. They are not legal advice, but we know that it's important for people just to have somewhat of an understanding of what some of these issues are, maybe a little bit of what somebody else may have experienced being in their same shoes. And so, again, these videos are here for you. So, I wanted to make this short video just to remind you that you can always leave a comment and suggest topics for me to cover. Maybe if you watched a particular video and you would like for me to dive a little bit deeper into a particular part of an issue, please make sure you put that in the comments. I try my best to go through all the comments and take those things that are suggested and make them into a short video. Again, not providing any legal advice, because you always want to speak with an attorney licensed in the state where you are and or where your case is about the facts specific to your issue. Because family law, like other types of law, it can be very nuanced. There are a lot of things that as lay people or as people in the general public we think of, or even terms that we use, that are actually terms of art or have specific meaning in a family law case setting. So it's very important for you to speak with someone who has the time and the knowledge about the law where your case is going to be heard, and can actually listen to your specific issues to give you advice on strategy, to give you information about when and where to file, if you should file, whether and what type of pleading to file. All of those are very important aspects of getting the most beneficial impact to yourself, to your family, to making decisions that are in the best interest of your children, and ultimately helping you to get to the goal, whatever it is that you're trying to achieve in your, again, custody, support, or divorce case. Because sometimes what you're hoping to achieve may best be done, sometimes even without going through litigation. There are other means of getting the result that you want than court. And sometimes the things that we're seeking, validation, um, just getting someone to acknowledge an issue or to get certain types of recourse, sometimes they're not things that we can get through court. But when it comes to equity, when it comes to certain types of fairness, those are often things that we can get through court. But of course, it's important that you file the right pleading at the right time and make sure you make the right arguments or best defenses, depending on the nature of your case. And that's why we remind you that these videos are not legal advice, but they are useful information, tips on custody, divorce, and support. So again, I'm going to remind you here to hit subscribe, hit the little notification bell so that each time we drop a new video, you get a little notification and you won't miss anything. All right. I hope that you're well. I hope that you stay safe, and I look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, take care.